we need to reinforce the aerostructure at this junction point. But the telemetry readings here are showing stress fractures at high altitude. Cross-reference with the atmospheric data from the last deployment.
Right here, just under the light. See that slight variation in the coding?
Yes, I see it. Let's make a note of the coordinates.
Approaching the critical threshold now.
Maintaining integrity across the weave. Data logged.
Check the tension on tether point Gamma 4.
The telemetry shows stabilization is holding, but let's cross-reference the load-bearing data.
Connection secure. Verified. Logging the torque specs now. Logging the torque specs now. Look at the fluctuation on channel 4. I see it. The internal heater is compensating slowly. The thermal signature here looks consistent. Check the seam just above the apex. I'm getting a slight fluctuation.
All right, easy on the right side, hold tension steady.
Steady on the right, we're clear to lift.
This vortex is showing higher shear than modeled.
Agreed. The window remains green for the next 15 minutes.
Main power bus is secure.
Backup cells online. We have a solid green across all rails.
Copy that. Closing the access panel.
Watch the starboard tether, keep the tension steady. Copy that, moving now.
Release main tether Alpha.
Alpha released, moving to beta.
Clear the platform, move. Bring it down slowly, watch the alignment on pad 3. Copy, descending now.
The blip is moving faster than anticipated.
I see it. Reroute the drone path now. Maintain visual contact at all costs.
I'm locking onto the primary target now. The convoy is moving northeast on schedule.
Confirmed. Maintain tracking.
The AI reports a lock on the primary target. Confirmed. Designate for immediate surveillance and alert command.
Reroute the balloon feed through the Europe command proxy immediately. Acknowledged. Routing now.
Alpha team, this is recovery lead. Balloon descent rate steady at 5 meters per second. Crane, extend boom to intercept point Charlie.
Pressure differential dropping rapidly on the primary sensor.
Acknowledged. Divert power to retro thrusters now.
Orders received. Diverting power.
Command, this is Recovery 1. We have eyes on the payload. ETA 5 minutes. Looks stable but slightly off course. Status update, K-band antenna disconnect complete. Moving to secure the main umbilical before transport.
All right, grab your lines. Move, move, move. Pull left, keep it steady. We are secure on the east side.
We have an anomaly at this location. Enhance the thermal spectral analysis.
Acknowledged. Zooming in now. The signature is spiking.
The structural integrity is severely compromised at this junction.
We're showing major data corruption right here where the hull failed. These microscopic tears seem consistent across the sample. Yes, the material degradation is severe right at the seam. These microscopic tears seem consistent across the sample. Yes, the material degradation is severe right at the seam.
Keep it coming slow, driver. Watch your clearance on the left. Set it down gently, right there.
Ground control to Mission 1, you are clear for launch. Roger that. Commencing ascent. Ground control to Mission 1, you are clear for launch. Roger that. Commencing ascent.